Hello viewer, you are welcome to Slow Math Impact Room. Now we want to look at this question, which is GC, WAEC 2026 January-February edition, and we have to simplify this question. Now, whenever you have a question like this, now this is different of 2 squared. So we have 4 over y squared minus 2 squared. Then this can be written as y. Let's factorize this one. That will be y squared minus 2y minus y plus 2. Remember, in my previous video, I've showed you that you multiply this as your product. You now look for what the two things will multiply together that will give me 2. If I add the same two things, it will give me minus 3. So that's, if you multiply this by this, you have minus 2 y squared. If you add it, you only have this. So from there, this is different of square. We have 4. This now is my y minus 2 into y plus 2. Then minus, let's factorize 1 over y into y minus 2. Then minus 1 into y minus 2. Don't forget, minus times minus will give you your plus. Now from there, we now have 4y minus 2 into y plus 2 minus, this will give us 1 over y minus 1 then into y minus 2. Don't forget now, since we have minus, we look for the LCM of this. Don't forget, we have y minus 2 here, we have y minus 2 here. You pick that one, y minus 2. Then we have y plus 2, we have y plus minus 1. So bring the 2 again, y plus 2, then y minus 1. Now from there, y minus 2, y plus 2, we go here, you are left with what? Y minus 1. Multiply by your numerator, that's 4 into y minus 1 minus y minus 1, y minus 2, we go here, you are left with y plus 2. Don't forget this one will be 1 into y plus 2. Now, the next thing is to open the bracket, which is 4y minus 4 minus y minus 2 over our denominator y minus 2, y plus 2, then y minus 1. Now, this now minus 4 minus y, that will give us 4y minus y. This minus 4 minus 2 over the denominator y minus 2, then y plus 2, then y minus 1. Now what you are going to do, if you subtract this from this, you have 3y, this minus 4 minus 2 will give us minus 6. Everything over y minus 2, then y plus 2, then y minus 1. Now, if you look at it very well, let's continue from here. Let's bring it down to this place. So here, let's factorize. We now have 3y minus this. We have 3 into y minus 2. Everything over the denominator, y minus 2 into y plus 2, then y minus 1. You will discover that y minus 2 will cancel my y minus 2. You are now left with 3 over y plus 2, then y minus 1. That's the correct answer. I hope you understand. If you do, please remember to like, share, and also follow. Thank you.